Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can find out someone on your Bigo Live app. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, as it is really quick and easy. First of all, open up your Bigo Live app, making sure you have logged in to your Bigo Live account. And here you can see on the live page of the Bigo Live app, these kind of options all appear where you can see many profiles of other people. If you are trying to search for your person or your profile, you can just do so here. But if it is not appearing on your feed, you can simply scroll up until you see an option for eyeglasses, like on the top right side of your screen. If you go onto your eyeglass option, you can see that this is a search bar as well. Nice. Click on this and just input the username you are trying to search. After that, hit on search, and then you'll be able to find out the person you are trying to find on your Bigo Live. Or also you can use the scanner button on the top left side of the screen. After that, you can just scan the QR code and the account or profile you're trying to search will appear as well. And that is how you can find out someone to the Bigo Live. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.